So this is an example of Kafka integration with or Kafka play around with Node-RED. So first of all, if you are new and brand new to Node-RED, so let's try to understand what Node-RED is. So if you just search for Node-RED, you will see that it's a low coding platform for event-driven application, uh, which you understand, like you don't need to program that much. If you are not a hardcore coder, not a full-time coder, still you can build your applications or your uh, play arounds, workarounds on top of it. So it's a very enriched and very rich API, and it's obviously free of cost. It's open source, and we will try to understand that how to use like Kafka. So here, first of all, for example, I want to demonstrate a flow where I will be able to produce a message to a Kafka topic and then consume. So I will try to search for a Kafka node. I don't see any Kafka node here. So let's try searching for Kafka node in Node-RED flows. So I see that there is Node-RED contrib Kafka manager. Let's try this. So this Node-RED contrib Kafka manager is having a 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see these many number of nodes. So you can see the Kafka producer node, the Kafka consumer node, Kafka broker, commit node, etc., etc. And here you will see that I am running Kafka on my local. So let me show you that. Yeah. So this is the zookeeper running here. This is the Kafka terminal running here, the server running here, and this is my terminal for doing my operations. So here you can see, for example, my Kafka is running on localhost 9092. So in case I want to show you, so you see that there is one Node-RED events topic on partition 0. So this is just the basic understanding in case you uh, don't know what is Kafka, or like how to run Kafka. That may be looking very alien to you, but this is only for the use cases when we are using Kafka, and if you already know Kafka, obviously. So yeah, let's try and see. So it's telling us to, like, we can go on and see that how to use it. So you will see it here, how to install. So it's asking us to npm install. So there is one more way to do it. So let's just copy this name from here, and what we can do is we can go to manage palette, and here I can go to the install tab, click on Node-RED. So I see okay here, and I install it directly from here. If your internet and everything is on and running, it is installed. So we see here that these many nodes have been added to the palette, and we can take use of it now. Let's try and check if these are here. So yes, these are here. So we see the Kafka admin, Kafka offset, Kafka consumer, right? So this is my Kafka producer. So let's take a Kafka producer, just drag and drop the node from there. And to invoke it, what I will do is I will take an inject node basically. Where is my inject node? And I want to inject, instead of a timestamp, I want to inject a string. So test on YouTube. This is the message I want to pass to my producer. This will be written to the topic. Now let's decide a topic, and first of all let's configure this one. So this is a producer, and let me configure it. So since my local host is running, so it's already 127.0.0.1.9092. This is my local Kafka, right? And topic is say YouTube. Done. So I have to like you see these blue dots on top, so that means it is not deployed. So I deploy it now, and now let's try to consume it. So just I'm trying to search for Kafka and all the Kafka nodes are coming. So Kafka consumer is here, and what I will do is I will take one debug node, just drag and drop, that's it. And inside this one, this is already, like you can see, the broker local Kafka is configured, and on the topic I want to say YouTube, right? Still the blue dots, and we have to deploy. The topic YouTube does not exist because we haven't created that yet, which is correct. So let's do it now. Successfully injected the test on YouTube, and now what we can do is let me see if the so the topic is YouTube. Let's try to see if there is a topic already created here with the name. So node-red events is some topic that I have already created. Now let's see that YouTube named topic is here or not. So yeah, we see that YouTube topic is already present here. You see it here, right? So let me try to create it again. Okay, so you see the green dot, that means it's ready with local Kafka. And now I will change the message and I will do it test it again, and now just focus. I will deploy test it again. So you see this, when I'm clicking on this message, this particular node, this particular debug node is getting checked, getting focused on, which means this consumer is like consuming or watching on the topic YouTube and giving me the message. We can do it again please. And yeah, we see it here. So that was all, like how to play with Kafka. We know it now. Thanks, and thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep enjoying, keep learning, and do subscribe and like my channel in case you love the content. Thank you.